If you want to add a home button on your iPhone screen, you can easily do it using the AssistiveTouch feature. This is also useful if your physical home button is not working or you just prefer an on-screen button. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type AssistiveTouch. Open the AssistiveTouch option and turn it on. Once enabled, you'll see a floating button appear on your screen. Now tap on it and go to Single Tap Settings, then set it to Home. After that, go back, tap on Double Tap and set it to None. Then go back again and set Long Press to None. Make sure everything is set correctly. Now your on-screen home button is ready. A single tap will take you to the home screen, and it works just like a physical home button. You can also use it to access multitasking, depending on your setup. That's it. This is the easiest way to add a virtual home button on iPhone using AssistiveTouch. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.